Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Today I would like to discuss with you some more problems related to trigonometry. Here we have first problem, prove that cos theta minus of 2 sin 2 cos cube theta by 2 sin cube theta minus of sin theta is equal to cot theta. We need to prove cot theta. This quantity is equal to cot theta. So now we have here, see, one by one I'll be proof. So cos theta minus of 2 cos cube theta. Here we have 2 sin cube theta minus of sin theta. Here we have cos and here we have both sides sin. Okay. So let me take cos and the sin are common here. I'll take here cos theta is the common. Now remaining here 1 minus of 2 sin square theta by, again we have here I'll take sin is the common, sin theta. Now this is 2 sin square theta minus of 1. Okay. Now next step we have, see, 1 minus of 2 sin square theta. Here we have, and this is this is cos square theta. So 1 minus of cos square theta. Okay. Now 1 minus of 2 cos square theta here we have. So once we have this, means we can use the what first identity, that is sin square theta plus of cos square theta is equal to 1. So cos theta 1 minus of this 2 into cos square theta. I'll write it 2 as it is. Now this becomes 1 minus of sin square theta. Okay. Now by, again we have sin theta is as it is. Now this is 2 sin square theta minus of 1 is as it is. Okay. Now next step we have here, just you can see this cos theta as it is. Now this 1 also as it is. Now this 2 can multiply inside. Okay. Once you multiply, it means 2, and this is minus into minus is plus 2 sin square theta. Okay. Now by, we have again here sin theta as it is into bracket of 2 sin square theta minus of 1. 2 sin square theta minus of 1 as it is. Now next step, let me write here. Just you can see here this cos theta as it is here, cos theta as it is. Now 1 minus 2, what will we get? It is will get minus of 1 plus 2 cos square, this is 2 sin square. Okay. 2 sin square theta as it is. Now by, again this sin theta as it is. Now this is 2 sin square theta minus of 1 as it is. Now just you can see these quantities, otherwise I'll write one more quantity, one more step here, cos theta minus of, this is 2 sin square theta minus of 1 by, and this is again sin theta into bracket of 2 sin square theta minus of 1. This and this quantity should be answer. Okay. I am interchanged this one and I am written like this, 2 sin square theta minus of 1, and this is 2 sin square theta minus of 1. So remaining we have here cos theta by sin theta, and this is cot theta. Okay. And hence we are proved this one. This is very simple problem. I hope you understood very well. Let me explain one more time. They are given cos theta minus of 2 cos cube theta by 2 sin cube theta minus of sin theta, and we need to prove cot theta here. And this is very simple problem here. Just you can take from the numerator cos is the common, from the denominator sin is the common. Once you are taken common, now 1 minus of 2, and this you can again split it. Okay, by using first identity. So sin square plus of cos square theta is equal to 1. So this becomes 1 minus of sin square theta. So we need cos square theta. So 1 minus of sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So we are used this one. Now this we kept as it is. Now 1 minus of 2. This is minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 into minus is plus 2 sin square theta. Now this is denominator is as it is. Now 1 minus 2 is minus of 1 remaining here, plus of 2 sin square theta, that you can interchange it, 2 sin square theta minus of 1 as it is, 2 sin square theta, and this quantity as it is. Both should be cancelled here, cos by sin will be get, and this is what? Cot theta. I hope you understood very well. Well, students, we have two more questions from your model question paper. We have first question here: 15 cot of A is equal to 8. Then find the value of tan of A. Okay, so they are given 15 cot of A is equal to 8. So first one solution we have here: 15 cot of A is equal to 8. So we can write first of all 15 cot of A is equal to 8. They are given here, and we need to find value of tan of A. This is very easy. Now I'll take cot of A is equal to, it is 8 by this 15, you can take this side, so 8 by 15 it is. Okay, now cot of A is equal to 8 by 15. We need the value of tan of A. Okay, so cot you know it very well, so let me draw the one figure here. So if I draw, this is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay, so tan means opposite by base. Okay, so this is opposite and this is what? Base. Now cot means base by opposite. So what is the value of tan then? So we have cot here, they are given, and we need the value of tan of A. Okay, or you can say it is tan means opposite. Okay, so now cot of A is 8 by 15. This is 8 and this is what? 15, and we need 15 by 8. So this becomes 15 by 8. Okay, so this is the value of what here? Tan of A, 15 by 8. So in the second question we have here, in the given figure, find the value of sin alpha plus cos theta. Here value of sin alpha plus, let me solve here, sin alpha plus of cos theta. So alpha here in this figure they are given alpha here, and theta we have here. Once you are considering this angle, acute angle, so base is this one, opposite is this one, this is the hypotenuse. Sin of alpha opposite by hypotenuse. Now let me write sin of alpha is 3 by 5. Okay, now what we have? Next one is cos of theta we have. So what is the value of theta? This is base, this is opposite, this is what here? We can say it is again 3 by 5. Okay, 3 by 5. But what we need? Sin alpha plus of cos theta. Now this becomes sin alpha plus of cos of theta. Okay, substitute the values here. Sin alpha we have 3 by 5 plus cos of theta we have again 3 by 5. So total value is 1. So this is the what required answer of these questions for 1 marks. Okay, I hope you understood very well. Well, students, we have here next problem. See, the problem is prove that cosec 90 minus theta minus of sine of 90 minus theta, again into bracket of it is cosec theta minus of sine theta, bracket again tan theta plus of cot theta. So flower bracket complete, and this equal to 1. So total quantity is equal to 1. We need to prove here. Okay, these two they are given what? Complementary angle. Next we have cosec theta minus of sine theta. Next we have tan theta plus of cot theta, and this equal to what? Total answer should become 1. Okay, so let me solve one by one. So this equal to cosec of 90 minus theta. So complementary angle, so this becomes, we can write it is sec of theta. Okay, minus, now next sine of 90 minus theta we can write cos of theta. Okay, this is one bracket. Now next, so in this bracket cosec theta minus of sine theta. So let me write this one. Cosec I'll write as 1 by sine theta. Okay, so 1 by sine theta I'll write, minus of again it is sine theta. Okay, so once I written this, so next we have this one. So let me write this one, bracket of tan I'll write sine theta by cos theta plus cot I'll write cos theta by sine theta. Okay, so now this we are written here. Tan I converted sine by cos, cot I converted cos by sine, and cosec 1 by sine. So this complementary, cosec of 90 minus theta is nothing but sec theta, sine of 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta. Now next step we have here, see For the next step, sec theta minus of cos theta. So now this one I'll write as like this, sec theta I'll write 1 by, it is, now this is 1 by cos theta minus of cos theta, okay. Now next, so I'll take LCM this one, so this becomes 1 minus of sin square theta by it is again sin theta, okay. So next, this step, so I'll cross multiply, so this becomes sin square theta plus of it is cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta, okay. What I did means here I am taken the LCM, cross multiply, sin into sin, sin square theta, cos into cos, cos square theta, this is cos into sin or sin into cos. This is sin into sin is sin square theta, this one is as it is 1 minus of sin square, this is sin theta. Now next step, we have this is again you can do it the same, 1 minus of, we have it is cos square theta by this is cos theta, okay. Keep one bracket. So 1 minus of sin square theta, how we can write 1 minus of sin square is nothing but cos square theta by it is again we have sin theta, okay. Keep the bracket as it is. Now next we have sin square theta plus of cos square theta is nothing but 1, okay. So identity first, now this becomes sin theta into cos theta, keep the bracket as it is. So next step we have here this implies, so the next step we have 1 minus of cos square is nothing but what, sin square theta by it is again we have cos theta, keep the bracket. Now this you can keep as it is, so cos square theta by it is sin theta and this is again 1 by sin theta into cos theta, keep the brackets, okay. So just you can, I'll explain one more time from the beginning onwards. Cosec of 90 minus theta they are given, that I am taken sec of theta, okay. Complementary angles you need to use here, sin of 90 minus theta they are given, you can take sin of 90 minus means cos theta. Now cosec theta minus of sin theta, okay. So cosec I converted in the what, reciprocal, 1 by sin is nothing but cosec minus of sin theta as it is. Now tan I converted sin by cos, cot cos by sin, okay. In terms of sin and cos you can convert all the values. Now once you converted sec, we can write 1 by cos and this cos is as it is 1 by sin, okay. So take the LCM, sin into sin, sin square, 1 minus of sin square by sin theta. Now this cross multiply, sin into sin, sin square theta, cos into cos, cos square theta, cos into sin or sin into cos. Now so this becomes again cos into cos, 1 minus of cos square theta by cos theta. So 1 minus of cos square is nothing but cos square theta, 1 minus of sin square is nothing but cos square theta by sin theta, and this is sin square plus of cos square is nothing but 1 here, and this denominator is sin into cos is as it is. Now 1 minus of cos square is nothing but sin square theta by cos theta as it is. Now cos square theta by sin square theta as it is. These two quantities are as it is. Let me rub this one and I'll write here, I'll wrap the first step. So here I'll write, see for the next step we have sin square theta by cos square theta, this one and this one quantity get cancelled, 1 and 1 quantity get cancelled here. So remaining is what we have, so remaining quantity here we have 1 sin theta and here we have one more into cos theta, okay. And we have here 1 by, we have here 1 by sin theta into cos theta, okay. So we need to prove 1, so these two quantities get cancelled and the answer equal to what, we can say 1, hence we are proved, okay. This is very simple problem. So just you can see here sin square theta is there and here 1 sin, okay. Multiplication is there, 1 and 1 get cancelled, here cos square is there, here cos, 1 will cancel, remaining here 1 by sin theta into cos theta is there. So here sin and cos are remaining, this sin cos and this sin cos get cancelled, so remaining is 1, okay. I hope you understood very well. Well students, we have here next problem. So prove that sin theta minus of cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta plus of cos theta by sin theta minus of cos theta is equal to 2 by 2 sin square theta minus of 1. Okay, so this we need to prove here. See, sin theta minus of cos theta by sin theta plus of cos theta. So let me solve this one stepwise here. This equal to, for very first of all, see, we need to prove 2 by 2 sin square theta minus of 1. So we can take here cross multiplication and take the LCM. So cross multiply this into this into this, again this into this. So this becomes what here we have sin theta minus of it is cos theta, again into this becomes sin theta. Okay, so let me directly write this one, sin theta minus of cos theta whole square, because both are what here same quantity. Now plus, okay, plus we have next again, so this into this, so this becomes sin theta plus of cos theta, okay, whole square. Its total divided by we have it is sin theta plus of cos theta, one bracket and one more bracket is sin theta minus of cos theta. Okay, now this equal to, this is a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square. Okay, so next a, so we can expand this one, a minus b whole square. Now this becomes a square, that means sin square theta minus of 2 ab means sin theta into cos theta plus of, again it is cos square theta. Now plus again we have this, the quantity becomes sin square theta plus of 2 sin theta into cos theta, and this becomes plus of cos square theta. Okay, by total quantity by we have, see, this becomes a plus b, a minus b, so this becomes we have a square minus of b square. So it is sin square theta minus of cos square theta. Okay, a plus b, a minus b, so sin square theta minus of cos square theta. Now this equal to, next step we have, see, 2 sin theta into cos theta, this one quantity and this plus quantity get cancelled here. Remaining we have sin square theta plus of cos square theta, or you can say sin square plus cos square is 1, again here cos square plus sin square is 1. So we have 1 plus 1 by denominator quantity we have here sin square theta minus of cos square theta. So this becomes sin square theta minus of cos square theta. So this equal to, let me write here only, this is 2. Okay, now sin square, and we need to prove this 2 sin square theta minus of 1 sin square theta you can keep as it is, cos square theta you can apply the identity, so minus as it is into bracket of cos square is nothing but what, 1 minus of sin square theta. Okay, so this equal to we have 1 minus of sin square theta. Now minus into minus is plus, so this is 2 as it is. Now sin square theta, so minus into, this is minus 1 plus of sin square theta. Okay, so this equal to, again we can write as 2 by, it is 2 sin square theta minus of 1. Hence we are proved this one. Okay, this is very simple problem. Here we have, just you can what, cross multiply this into this and this into this. Once you multiplied means you will get sin theta minus of cos theta whole square, both quantities are same, so here also plus, here also plus, so that's why it is sin theta plus of cos theta whole square. Now this is sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta minus of cos theta here, and this becomes what, one quantity, this plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta becomes cancelled here. Now sin square plus cos square is 1, sin square plus cos square is 1, 1 plus 1. So here denominator sin square theta, it is a plus b, a minus b, sin square theta minus of cos square theta, sin square theta minus of cos square theta as it is. Now this you can change it. Okay, cos square theta becomes what? 1 minus of sin square theta. Now minus into 1 is minus 1, minus into minus is plus sin square theta plus sin square theta plus sin square theta is nothing but 2 sin square theta, and this minus 1 is as it is, and this numerator 2 is as it is. 2 divided by 2 sin square theta plus minus of 1. Oh, I hope you understood very well.